Hey guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. Now Realme has been stepping up their brand by just not being another smartphone brand by coming up with some great smartphones. And to show its seriousness of expanding their brand further, they have come up with all of these amazing devices where I'll be giving you the unboxing and my first impressions for not one but four of their latest AIoT devices which further expands their ecosystem. So let's check it out. Now let's first start with their latest audio offerings, which is the Realme Buds Air Neo. Now the box comes with the visuals of the earbuds in front, which shows 2 out of the 3 colors for you guys to choose from, where other than the pop white and punk green, it is also available in rock red. Then at the back you'll find the specs of the earbuds, which I'll let you guys know more in a very short moment. Now opening the box, you'll see the earbuds charging case with the earbuds inside. Underneath that, there's the user guide or tips. Then behind that, there's the micro USB to USB-A cable. Now going into the main specs of the earbuds, it is an IPX4 splash resistant. It also has Bluetooth 5.0 with the advanced audio coding, and it also has Google Fast Pair technology to increase the speed of the seamless pairing process, which I'm eager to test out really soon. Then in terms of audio, it comes with a 13mm large speaker driver which has a bass boost, and since it has the Realme R1 chipset, it is said to have super low latency. And finally, on the battery department, it has a claimed battery life of 17 hours of playback. Next is something a bit more straightforward, which is the Realme Powerbank 2. Now at the front of the box, you'll find the visuals of the Powerbank and the battery capacity above. Then at the back of the box, there's the specs over there. Now upon opening the box, you'll immediately see the power bank in a very super striking yellow color, as you guys can see, with the Realme branding on the sides. Then at the back, there is the user manual. And what's cool is that the cable which comes inside of the box is a USB-A to either USB-C to micro USB, which was really nice. Now looking at the ports and the buttons, there is a USB-A out, a USB-C in to charge the power bank, or out to charge other external devices, which you can use both at the same time, which is also another cool feature. Then you find a button to press to check the battery level of the power bank. Now in terms of the specs, the power bank has a total of 10,000 milliamps of battery with a maximum charge of 18 watts of fast charging. And if you're planning to charge any other micro USB type of devices like the Realme Buds Air Neo, it will charge to a low current mode as well, as it has 12 layers of circuit protection. So if you want a power bank which literally stands out, this is the power bank that you should have. Now for the next item is the Realme band. Now the box comes with the visuals of the band in front and some of the specs and the features at the back. Opening the box reveals the band itself, where the color that I have is in green and is also available in black and yellow as well. Other than that, it comes with a user guide as well. And don't be alarmed if you don't find any charging port or even a charging base inside, as the band charges via USB-A, which is underneath the wrist strap, which is kind of cool to have a cable-free charging experience. Now as for the Realme band's features, it is IP68 dust and water resistant. It comes with a 0.96-inch screen with a resolution of 80 by 160 pixels with a single virtual kind of button. Underneath, there's the heart rate sensor as usual for real-time heart rate monitoring, and it also has a 3-axis accelerometer with a sports detection tracking like running, cycling and other modes like hiking, yoga and many more. And it connects via Bluetooth 4.2 through the Realme Link app, which has a claimed battery life up to 9 days without the heart rate function enabled and about 6 days with it turned on. And last but not least is the Realme Watch. Now the box comes with the visuals of the Realme Watch in front, with the visuals of the charging base at the back and some of the specs over there as well. Opening the box immediately reveals the watch itself with a nice matte black rubber wrist strap which can easily be removed and changeable to other colors as well. Then underneath you'll find the charging base above, which charges via USB-A. And of course, to charge the watch, you'll just need to place the watch on the magnetic charging base when the pins are aligned. Then below that, you'll find a user manual. Now in terms of the overview and the specs, it also has the IP68 dust and water resistant. It comes with a 1.4-inch screen with a resolution of 320 by 320 and a PPI value of 323 with a full screen touch control. Where of course underneath there is the heart rate sensor like the realme band. There is also the 3-axis accelerometer with up to 14 sports mode monitoring features and also with an automatic motion detection, together with many advanced health monitoring features like sleep detection, SpO2 monitoring and many more, which I'll go through during my full video review. Now it connects via Bluetooth 5.0 through the Realme Link app like the Realme Band, and it has a claimed battery life up to 9 days without the heart rate function enabled and about 7 days with it enabled. Now I have asked all of y'all on my Instagram and my other social media platforms, so follow me there just in case you guys haven't done so. And I've asked over there on which particular item that you guys like to see me do a full review on first. And you guys voted for the Realme watch. So yes, stay tuned for this full video review here on Adam Lobo TV and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you guys haven't done so. And when it comes to the price here in Malaysia, the Realme Buds Air Neo is priced at only 129 ringgit. The Realme Powerbank 2 going for also 129 ringgit. The Realme Band is at 199 ringgit. Then the Realme Watch at only 299 ringgit. And there's also the flash sales under Shopee as shown here for even a lower rate on specific dates, which I'll link down below. And do let me know if you guys have any questions about all of these items at the comment section below. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you guys haven't done so. My name is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in my next video.